Imagine this. You're working late, juggling a million things, and your mind feels like it's spinning out of control. That was me just a year ago, until one moment changed everything. I remember it like it was yesterday. I was in the middle of a presentation at work, my hands shaking, my heart racing. The slides blurred on the screen, and I completely froze. All I could think was, what's wrong with me? My life was on autopilot. Wake up, work, sleep, repeat. But the truth was I wasn't really living. I was consumed by stress, anxiety, and a constant need to keep up. One day after that meltdown, I stumbled into a bookstore. A book practically fell off the shelf, The Miracle of Mindfulness by Thich Nhat Hanh. I wasn't looking for answers, but somehow it felt like the book was looking for me. I learned something simple but profound. Mindfulness isn't about fixing your life, it's about being present for it. That idea hit me like a ton of bricks. I started small, just 5 minutes a day. I'd sit quietly, close my eyes, and focus on my breath. It felt awkward at first, like my brain was rebelling, but something magical happened over time. Mindfulness didn't just calm my mind, it rewired how I saw the world. I started noticing the little things, the way sunlight felt on my skin, the taste of my morning coffee, even the sound of my kids' laughter. These weren't just moments anymore. They were treasures. I'll be honest, life didn't magically become perfect. There are still challenges, deadlines, and rough days, but mindfulness gave me the tools to handle them without losing myself. If you're feeling overwhelmed, like life is passing you by, I want you to know you're not alone. And you don't have to make huge changes to feel better. Sometimes just breathing deeply and being here right now is enough. Here's what I want you to do. Tonight, take 5 minutes to sit quietly, breathe, and write down one thing you're grateful for. It's simple, but trust me, it's powerful. Mindfulness saved my life, and it can change yours too. You just have to take that first step. If this story resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe. Share your thoughts or your own mindfulness journey in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Remember, life happens in the moments we pay attention to. So let's make those moments count. Thanks for watching.